Discover the magic of Google Docs. Whether you are writing people, collaborating on a project, or organizing your thoughts, this versatile tool makes it easy and efficient. Let's dive in and unleash your creativity. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to start with Google Docs. So first of all I have to do is open a browser and dive into Google Docs as you can see. So we have just to click over this one. So first of all, what is Google Docs? Google Docs is an online word processor and part of the free web-based Google Docs editor site offered by Google. Google Docs is accessible via an internet browser as a web-based application and is also available as a mobile app on Android and iOS and as a desktop application on Google's Chrome, as you can see. So once you click over Google Docs, you will find this page as you can see. So to start with Google Docs, you have just to choose a blank document or select from various templates. Familiarize yourself with the toolbar for formatting options, inserting images, and adding links. To collaborate, click the share button like that. I will show you how. So you have just to click over this one. So here we have the share button. Then enter email address and set permissions for others to view or edit your documents. You are ready to start creating and collaborating seamlessly. So I will show you how you can get started. So first of all, you have just to over here and you will find this page. Then you will find this page as you can see. So you have it. Firstly, you have to just write the title. Then here we have, you can just make it star, and we have here move. For example, we have just to move it to the drive here. All applications we have here short drives, computers shared with me, and we have my drive here, and here we have other suggestions. Then we have here the option of file. About this one we have here new document or from template gallery. Then we have here also open, make a copy, share also, email, download, and we have here rename, move, add to cart to drive, and we have more to trash, return history, make available offline, details also here, and we have here the languages here, and page setup, print. Then we have here edit. So we can just undo, redo. We have here paste, paste without formatting, and we have select all, find and replace. Then we have here view, like mode, comments, show print layout, show rule, show outline, show equation, toolbar, and we have show no printing characters. Then we have here insert. We have like images here, upload from computer, search the web, drive, photos by URL, camera, and we have here the table, drawing also, sharp, horizontal line, emoji also, smart collapse, drop down, footnote, building blocks, signatures, and we have special characters, equation, and watermark, and other options. Then we have here format, such as texts, paragraph styles, align and indent, and we have line and paragraph spacing, columns, we have here palettes and numbering, and we have here headers and footers, page numbers, page orientation, and we have here switch to Pageless format and clear formatting. Then we have here tools, as you can see, extensions, and we have here help. So this is it. I will show you how you can get started. For example, I will choose here title, and this zoom I will choose, for example, this one. So it's too much. I will choose only this one. So here we have like meeting notes. So we have here date, calendar, event. You have just to write attendance, the person that you want, and you have to write the notes, like you add the notes, and action items, you add the action items that you want. Then we have here email draft. Like here we have to, and the person that received the email. Then we have here the subject also, and also we have here more options, like here we have date, drop down, place holder shape, and we have here meeting notes, email draft, product roadmap, review tracker, project assets, launch content tracker. So right now I will show you how you can get started. So I select here the option of title. So here we have, if you want URL, and you have cover it if you want it. Then we have here comfort also. So I will choose also the size here. So for example, I will choose 60, and we have here bold, italic, underline, and we have here text. So I will choose for example gray, and I will here other options. So I will just get started. I will write for example like that, and I will come back and I will choose also here for example subtitle, and I will choose here for example comic, and I will choose the size for example 36. If I want to bold, italic, and for example I will choose underline like that, and I will select here for example list number like that, and we'll write here how to start. I forget to choose I forget to choose here the color. I will choose black. I'll write here how to get started with Google Docs. And I will do the same thing here, for example. And I will select here, for example, I want here also here subtitle, and I want the size here also 36, and I will select also here comfortable, and I will select here italic, and I will write, and I will choose also the black one. I will write get started with Google Docs. To just example, you can just write whatever you want. So we have other options here. If you want to endo, widow, we have here print, spell and grammar check, and we have print format, zoom, subtitle. Here we have also font, size, bold, and other options. If you want to also add a comment, emoji, suggest edits, and if you want to share, you click over here and then you share it. Then we have here the option to join a call here or present today's tab to the call. Then we have here show our comments, last edit and was seconds ago. So Google Docs is a powerful tool that simplifies document creation and collaboration. Its user-friendly interface and real-time editing features enhance productivity for individuals and teams alike. Embrace Google Docs to streamline your workflow and unleash your creativity. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys.